What's up, YouTube? Swipe with the Hemi. I already kind of like started, but today we are replacing the MDS solenoids on a 2005 Dodge Magnum RT. I had a code for one of them. I'm not sure which one it was. P3497, if I'm not mistaken. Said bank cylinder 2 deactivation solenoid. I'm not sure which one. The cylinder 2, and maybe the one in the back, because cylinder 2 is technically on this side, or it could be this one, since cylinder 2 is, right here in the front. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it could be this one, could be that one. I don't know, but I'm just going to do all 4 of them just to, go ahead and get this shit out the way. You got to be real meticulous when you taking these out, man. I've seen several videos where people broken these, and this was a shit show trying to get it out the engine block. But I changed them once before. I thought I was having an issue with them, and I kind of changed it for no reason. But since I changed it, I just left it in. I never thought to go back and bother with it, because I'm like, fuck it, it's brand new, MDS solenoids, why not just leave it? But go ahead and take. They say use a pocket screwdriver. I mean, this is not a pocket one, but it's got a thin point at the top, pocket clip, so shit like that. So we're real meticulous about this, and pop them off without breaking the pigtail. Don't want to break the pigtail on these things, but this is a very important part of your engine, especially if you don't have a kit to replace it. So as of right now, I don't have the kit to delete the MDS activation system. So I'm just going to plug it with what I have. Pop these little tabs off for a pigtail. Don't call them tabs, you call them tabs, pigtails. Whatever the good stuff is with me. And this wire is a little disgruntled, but it's nothing, no copper or anything. The car set for a while. I had to put a transmission in it. I think it was last year, September I did it. It's been almost a year since I put the transmission in. The warranty actually just expired like 2 weeks ago, I believe. But for the most part, it's been pretty fucking cool. Those are 8mm bolts holding it in. I think I have an 8 here. But like I said, when it comes to these, you gotta be real meticulous. Real meticulous in taking these out. I wouldn't recommend prying on them. Like I said, they fucking break. In videos, like I said, guys broke these things, and you gotta use a self-tapping screw to kind of like pull them out. I mean, it works, but I'm gonna try my method that I used the first time to get these out, and hopefully I can luck up on these again, and get it out the same way I put them in the last time. Kind of hoping like I said, that works in my favor, but won't know until I try, right? This shit is scary, bro. To be honest. When it comes to these, that shit is freaking scary, man. I'm actually at work. I'm at my job right now doing this. Could have been at home, but I decided to come up with my job and do it. I'm working at AC. I don't have no garage, unfortunately. Would have been awesome if I did, but hey, you gotta make do what we can get. Alright, so I got that one free here. I just need to break it free from where it bolts down to. So all that, and then I will focus on actually pulling the solenoid out of the engine. That's gonna be my main concern on getting them out. That's kind of like the nervous point of all of this. So what I used the last time, I used a pair of vice grips. Like I said, people got their own ways of doing things, but for me, to be honest, a pair of vice grips work. Put them. I'm gonna try with this one, the one I believe is the issue. So out there, you know, get it real nice and loose. Then wipe down on it. Just pressing, not just pressing. Wiggle it around so it's moving, but also that don't mean that it's loose on the inside of the block, because at the top half I believe it does spin, but this is where you gotta be, like I said, real meticulous when it comes to removing these, because it can break off inside the cylinder, and that's not what you want to happen, because then once it breaks off inside the cylinder, now you have a shit show. Kind of like yanked it out the last time, but like I said, I don't want to do that because I'm scared to, because I don't want to break it. If it breaks, it becomes a problem. It becomes a fucking problem if it breaks. This isn't budging, see? And this is the scary part, man. You don't want to dig all into it and it breaks, and then you're stuck with a shit show. So I'm gonna pause the video and we'll be back momentarily.